Hi, my name's Amelia Schrader and I'm with Explore and More, the Ralph C. Wilson Jr. Children's Museum. And we're here today to do a healthy flower pot snack, which is brought to you by Taste of Buffalo at Home, presented by Tops, and this particular activity is presented by the Independent Health Foundation. We're going to start our activity by reading a story, but just for my grown-ups at home, if you can start getting the ingredients ready while I'm reading the story, that would be great. You're going to need a cucumber cut in half and peeled. We also need some cubes of cheese. I use cheddar cheese, but you can use whatever your child's favorite cheese is. And we need some slices of carrots. Now for the carrots, I really like to get a big whole carrot, not a baby carrot, but if that's what you have at home, then that's okay to use. The story we're reading today is called Growing Vegetable Soup. And the reason I picked this story is because it's all about growing plants. And right here in Western New York, two things that grow really well are cucumbers and carrots. So I thought this would be a great story to tie into our healthy flower pot snack. Growing Vegetable Soup. Written and illustrated by Louis Elhart. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work, and our tools are ready too. They have a rake, a shovel, and a hoe. We are planting the seeds. So see how they dug holes and they put a different seed in each hole? They have corn, zucchini squash, and carrots. So they have carrots just like our recipe. And all the sprouts. We've got tomatoes here and onions and peppers and broccoli. And giving them water. I bet some of you at home help water your plants, whether they're flowers or vegetables in your gardens at home. And waiting for warm sun to make them grow. And grow. Oh, those vegetables are getting big. And grow into plants. We watch over them and weed until the vegetables are ready for us to pick. Or dig up. Some vegetables like carrots, like we're using today in our recipe, actually grow underground. And carry them home. Then we wash them. And cut them and put them in a pot of water. And cook them up into vegetable soup. At last, it's time to eat it all up. And it was the best soup ever. And we can grow it again next year. The end. So friends, that story had a lot of delicious vegetables in it, and a lot of them grow really well right here in Western New York. But like I said, today we're going to be doing a healthy flower pot snack. And I'm going to start with putting my toothpick out, and I'm going to get out my cheese block. Again, I use cheddar, but you can use whatever cheese you find delicious. And I'm going to carefully push my toothpick right through that block of cheddar. Okay? So it's actually going to stand up on its own, and that block of cheddar is like the pot of your flour. Next, I'm going to take my cucumber. See how I have it in half and there's seeds down the center? What I'm going to do is take a spoon and actually scoop out those seeds, because it's going to make the flower pot look like it has two leaves on each side. So we'll scrape that up, and then you can chop or slice your cucumber. I already have a bunch of cucumbers sliced and ready to go in here, so I'm going to pull one of those out. And we're going to stick that on next. Make sure you're being very careful with your toothpick here. It can be pokey on the end. But now we have our flower pot, we have our leaves, and now we need our flour. So that's where we're going to get a big piece of carrot that's already sliced and peeled and cleaned. Now, this part uses a knife, so you want to make sure that you have the help of your grown-up to do this with you. But you're going to carefully cut out little triangles on the top of your carrot. So I will show you guys that. So see how I have 2 cut out already? I'm gonna do at least 1 more so it looks like the top of a tulip. I'm actually gonna add another one. And see how now my carrot looks like the top of a tulip? And then you're gonna add that right on to the top of your flower pot as the last part of your snack. And there you are. That is how you make a quick and easy, delicious, tasty treat. And you can, like I said, grow a lot of these things right in your garden at home. So I want to thank our friends again at the Independent Health Foundation for bringing us this fun activity. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, you can comment on the Facebook page and we'll be happy to answer them. See you guys next time. Bye!